Hello, my name's Karen Darwood and I'd like to welcome you to this Comet programme designed to bring you right up to date with some of the very latest technology in home laundry. Let's face it, doing the laundry is not the most exciting pastime, and so we often take the washing machine for granted until we're without one, and then we realise just how much we rely on it. But in the last few years there have been some real technical advancements in home laundry products, so here's a chance to catch up and make sure you get the right model for your needs. There are lots to choose from: top-loading, front-loading machines, and even larger models which will be great situated in a utility room. You may want a basic model, a mid-price machine or a top-of-the-range model. Whatever you prefer, Comet will have a model to suit you. There are a large number of manufacturers with washing machines tailored for the UK market, with a choice of drum sizes, practical features such as easy-to-use electronic controls, advanced technologies to give lower running costs and to give you great wash results. You'll find models from the UK's leading manufacturers at your local Comet Superstore, so you can be certain to find one that will really suit your lifestyle and pocket. In this DVD, we'll be showing you some of the features to look out for, and we'll cover everything you need to know in terms of space, electrical requirements, even plumbing options. There are hot and cold fill machines and cold fill only models. These offer many advantages, and we'll look at that in more detail later. Comet offer an unbeatable range of home laundry products, and their staff are fully trained to help you find a model that will really suit your needs. We'll guide you through the whole process, from the initial idea to buy, through researching product features and checking technical requirements, right to delivery and installation. And where better to do all that than right here at Comet? With all the leading brands on offer, you can be sure to find the right one for you. To help us achieve that, in this DVD we'll be featuring models from the Samsung range. And just as you'd expect from a high technology company like Samsung, their models have all the latest features and benefits to help take away those wash day blues. There are many great features to look out for. A vital piece of information to look out for is the maximum spin speed. The higher the maximum spin speed, the more water is extracted from the clothes, and this can really reduce drying time later. So for most customers, this is a key feature. When you visit your local Comet store, you'll find machines on display with maximum spin speeds ranging from 1000 RPM right up to 1800 RPM. What else helps you select a practical machine? A good place to start is the drum size. Just think about your lifestyle. Would it be an advantage to be able to wash a large load in one go? There are a range of sizes from 4.5 kilograms right up to 10 kilograms. The larger the drum, the bigger the internal space, which is just great when you want to wash the duvet or a large load of bedding. You can have an industrial size machine for even bigger loads. You'll find a great choice in your local Comet Superstores. But if you want a standard depth and height model, we have even more options to consider. There are models that can detect the size of the wash load and then supply the appropriate amount of water to provide the best results and give great economy. Just look at this duvet, for example. In many conventional machines, you'd have to take this out to the laundrette in order to wash it. But with a large capacity machine, such as this 7.5 kilogram Samsung model, you can do it at home. A real saving in both cost and time. Look at how wide the door opens for easy loading. It makes a big difference with larger loads. Just because the machine offers a larger drum size, this doesn't mean greater running costs. The great thing about a Comet Superstore is that you can see lots of models all in one visit. You'll find the key features and benefits clearly displayed on our information materials. Every washer has an energy label displayed, so you can compare performance. These standardised labels show the energy consumption in a kilowatt-hour cycle, washing performance, spin performance, capacity and water consumption. These labels follow an EC directive, making it easier to compare models. The tests are based on a 60-degree cotton wash filled from cold water to give an accurate product comparison. There are lots of colours to choose from to match your colour scheme, You may like the clean look of white or the high-tech style of silver. There are other options displayed in store. Perhaps you have a fully fitted kitchen and you prefer an integrated machine to blend in with your colour scheme. And if you don't see the colour you want on display, don't forget to look out for the Comet Extra Choice catalogue. Every store has them on display and they give details of the entire range, so there really is no limit to your choice. Let's take a closer look at what washing machines have to offer. You may be used to a traditional washing machine that appears to fill up from below. You can see the water level rising. These generally use more water than the more advanced systems. Some models now spray water from above directly onto the load, helping to spread the detergent evenly throughout the wash. A great feature to look out for is Fuzzy Logic. This uses electronics to monitor the wash, adjusting the water levels to match the load, saving water and thereby saving energy by only heating the required amount. This feature is found on all Samsung models, as well as being available on some other manufacturers' machines. And you know how some old machines will practically go into orbit when spinning heavy loads like towels? Fuzzy Logic can help stop that happening by detecting an unbalanced load and rebalancing it during the cycle. Look out for rebalancing or auto-balancing features. Great idea, especially if you live in a flat and don't want to disturb your neighbours. Fuzzy Logic can also help with rinsing. It can detect when there's too much foaming and adjust the rinsing to reduce the excess foam for better results. Selected models offer automatic foam reducing systems. Some have manual extra rinse buttons or additional rinse options. Effective rinsing is especially important in preventing skin problems. If you or your family have sensitive skin, the foam or sud reducing features may be really important. Perhaps you've noticed dry or itchy skin reacting to contact with fabrics. This can be a problem when all the detergent has not been removed from the wash. And if you have towels at home that are no longer fluffy and soft, that could be down to detergent residue remaining in the fabric through non-effective rinsing in your current machine. This Samsung model uses a smaller amount of detergent by ensuring that the detergent is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the wash. A special detergent dissolving device uses a pump to ensure even mixing before spraying the detergent down onto the drum, and this model offers shower spinning to give you A-wash results. Other manufacturers' models may have their own detergent saving features. Ask our staff in store. And since around 70% of the cost of your wash is the detergent, there are many benefits from being able to reduce the amount used and get a thorough wash and rinse result. Let's take a look at some of the feature buttons that you'll find on washing machine control panels. How about an economy button? Perhaps a quick wash button for shorter program times. Check these out. These generally give around a 30-minute program for those lightly soiled fabrics, but remember, they work on selected programs only. You may wish to have programs for those heavy soiled items. Again, you'll find lots of machines that will match your needs. Do you have delicate fabrics to wash? Then watch out for this symbol. The hand wash symbol means the machine takes the greatest care for those hand washed items. Again, it's really worth taking the time to find the models that will suit your lifestyle. While you're comparing the machines in your Comet store, take a good look at the control panels on offer. There are two main types: manual, like this easy to use control, with some models featuring a manual half load button. This reduces water levels, so giving better economy for when you put in a half load of clothes. And if the machine has an automatic water sensor, such as Fuzzy Logic technology, it's much more advanced and can detect automatically whether you're washing just one item, half a load or a full load. Electronic controls have many advantages if you want easy-to-use controls combined with clear and informative display and a modern stylish look. Take this Samsung model for example. It could hardly be clearer. If you want to take control of the wash, then simply select the wash type, the wash temperature, the number of rinses and the spin speed. There are even special settings for larger loads such as duvet, bedding, towels and curtains. There is an informative digital display. You can even see where in the program the machine is. But if you prefer to leave it to the machine, simply use the dial to select the wash type, cotton, coloureds, synthetics, delicates and wool, then simply press start and your Samsung Big Wash will do the rest. Whilst we look at this panel, you can see another useful facility. a delay start button, up to 24 hours. This is great if you want to delay the wash to a time that suits you. So you see, there are plenty of features to check out to make sure you choose the right model for your needs. Comet also have a range of washer dryers on display. They allow you to wash a full load and dry a half load if you want to utilise space in your kitchen. Or perhaps you'll prefer a tumble dryer to finish the drying for you. Lots to choose from in your local Comet Superstore. With such a wide choice of models and manufacturers on display in your local Comet Superstore, you're sure to find a machine that suits your needs. But there are a few things you need to consider before you place your order. First of all, will it fit in your kitchen? So dig out the tape measure and check the space where you wish to site the machine. Most washing machines sold in the UK are a standard size, designed to fit straight into a fitted kitchen. The dimensions are 600mm wide by 600mm deep and 850mm high. What's not so obvious is that even though some models such as the Samsung Big Wash has a 7.5 kilogram drum, it still fits into a standard 600mm by 600mm slot. You may wish to have a larger machine if you have more floor space to site it. You'll need a standard washing machine connector already installed. If you've booked the machine to be plumbed in by our Comet delivery team, this should be ready ahead of the delivery. While some machines often use both hot and cold fill, many modern machines tend to use cold fill only. It used to be thought that it was cheaper to use your existing hot water system, but in most homes the hot water never gets from the hot tank all the way down to your machine, so all that hot water just sits in the pipes, a total waste of energy. Every metre of pipes which are left with hot water in hold a litre of water, and that's a lot of water you may have heated up for no reason. If you have hot and cold water connections and you purchase a cold fill only model, you may require a Y-piece connector. These are also referred to as a cold fill adapter and are supplied if Comet install the machine. They're available to purchase from your Comet store. You will need a standpipe for us to put the drainage hose into. You'll also need to check that there's an electrical power socket nearby. Both your electrical socket and water taps need to be easily accessible. The best plan is to go through this checklist and take the information with you to the store when you're ready to make your order. You'll find this list printed on the DVD cover. Comet will need your name and address with local directions if your address is difficult to find, plus your work and home telephone numbers. Is there an old appliance to be removed? Is there easy access to the area that the machine is being positioned? Is there enough room where the appliance is to be sited? Is the electrical power point conveniently sited? Have you a water connection installed with the correct water taps? What type? Hot and cold or cold fill only? Finally, budget. There is a huge range of prices, so you can be sure to find a model that will suit your pocket. If you'd like to use finance to make your purchase, Comet offer a range of really convenient finance options. Ask in store for full details. You've made the decision to buy, so where better than your local Comet Superstore to find the right model? Comet have a fantastic website. Visit www.comet.co.uk for full details on our home laundry range and also for details of your nearest store. Or simply call the Comet direct number 08705 425 425. Comet stock a wide range of home laundry products from the leading manufacturers, so you can check out all the features in just one visit. If you don't find the right model for you, then check out the Extra Choice catalogue. They're in every store and show all the available models in detail. Take advantage of the expertise on offer and speak to our highly trained and friendly colleagues. They'll be able to help you pick the right model and help you with payment options. One of the great things about buying from Comet is the deliver and install service, available anywhere in the United Kingdom within 5 days, 7 days a week. For a small charge, Comet will arrange for your washing machine to be delivered and fitted to an adjacent power point and connected to your existing water supply. Make sure you ask for details. Many people will appreciate the security that the Comet after-sales network brings, and you can extend that security with a single payment, giving additional warranty service periods to suit your own requirements. Comet have been the home of low prices for 70 years. For the last 2 years, Comet has been checking over 34,000 competitor store prices every week to make sure their prices are unbeatable. You know, you really can't lose when buying at Comet, because the Comet Price Promise means that if you find a product on our website priced lower on one of the stores listed, or in a local store, a store within 10 miles of your nearest Comet store, we'll not only match the price, but also beat it by 10% of the difference. What's more, the Comet Price Guarantee applies for up to 14 days after you've made your purchase. How about that for peace of mind? Comet offer a flexible and reliable delivery service with over 2,000 products available for immediate delivery. You can arrange for morning or afternoon calls available 7 days a week, and Comet can also provide installation and disposal of your old product for a small charge. Ask in store for details. Let's face it, no one can predict when breakdowns will happen or how much they will cost to repair or replace, so Comet's extended warranties offer peace of mind. With one call to our dedicated national service number, 08705 425 425, you'll be put through to your local service centre. Here, our customer service agents will talk you through your problem. Comet has one of the largest after-sales networks available in the UK, with over 650 service engineers at the ready, so you can be sure that in the unlikely event that you need a repair, Comet will have someone at your home to resolve your problem. Comet also offers an additional warranty service that allows you to extend the warranty period to a total of 3 or 5 years for a small payment. Ask in store for full details of this service. So there you are. A new washing machine could really transform wash day. More capacity, more style, more features. And anything that makes life easier gets my vote.